Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Myself Rinky here. Before we start the tutorial, please make sure you subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to notified every time. Today we learn beautiful Christmas tree decoration for upcoming Christmas festival with easy painting techniques. So let's start. The base is in the 3 parts. This base is available with P3 MDF Mart. Link is in the description box below. You can check out various MDF range with them. Paint the tree with green color on front, back and edges too. This base you can paint it with red color and paint the star in golden color and the trunk in brown. For various craft updates and classes, you can connect with us on Facebook and Instagram too. The links are given in the description box below. Our base color is done now. To give little frosting look, sponge the edges with the white color. It will give you a beautiful frosting effect on the Christmas tree. You can check out our various tutorials in the playlist section. Cover the star and the trunk part with tape. Take white paint diluted with water and take toothbrush and spread the color with that. It will give you a snowy look of the Christmas tree. Similar effect on the base too. On the third part, resist the center portion with the tape and on the remaining part, do the golden color. After removing the tape, in the center part, we will do the white color. Now my all parts are ready to embellish it more. Now I am using some glitter to jazz up and a festive look. Glitter is everyone's favorite in the Christmas season. So apply Fevicol on the star base and spread the glitter. And remove the excess glitter. Similarly on the center base, we will do again the same glitter in front and back. Keep it aside for the natural drying. Now I will add some stenciling the sentiment, that is the joy, with white color. Now shift the stencil a little bit and it will give you the stencil with other color and give you a 3D look to your letters. On the center part, I have a sentiment Merry Christmas. This is the water transfer sheet. Paste it well and apply a water on the back side. Peel the paper and it's ready. To decorate it more, I have some flowers and leaves and pollens too. On the base part, I have added one flower and some leaves with the help of glue gun. Decoration part is totally your choice. It is the detachable base, so to add center part, take thin wire to attach both the pieces. My Christmas tree is ready to jazz up my home. I hope you like the tutorial and see you in the next video. Till then, happy crafting and Merry Christmas to everyone. Bye bye.